What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Trey, and I'm back with another new video, man. Now, hey, y'all, in one of my previous videos and on my community tab, I posted and I asked, I was like, would y'all rock with me, like, on this channel, covering some news or, like, hot topics or whatever, or topics with celebrities, you feel me, or popular topics with some celebrities, artists on this channel? Would y'all rock with that, like, me doing little segments and stuff? That's not going to be, like, just what I start doing now. I'm just saying, like, do a little bit of it, you know, make my channel versatile. And to my surprise, a good amount of people say yeah. So, you know, I guess this would be, like, the first one I do, the first vid I do like that. You know, because I do reactions, public interviews, challenges. So I'm just trying to grab other audiences and continue to expand my channel, you feel me, make it more versatile. Now, before we get into anything in this video, before we get into anything I talk about, I want to say rest in peace to that boy Juice WRLD, man. It's crazy what happened. Feel me, my prayers, condolences with his family. I'm sending that to his family because I know it's tough on him right now. Everything is just wild, man. It's crazy. Nobody expected this, so yeah, I just want to get that out there before I say anything else. Now, also, if you new to my channel, man, if you new, join the gang, join the family, you feel me? We got good content on the channel, so go ahead and join. We almost to 20K. You show love to me, I show love back. And also, go follow me on my social media sites. If you know, got questions, need help with something, need to talk, or you just want to, you know, say what's up to me, go follow me and add me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. The links for those are in my description. You know, I try to respond back to everybody. So yeah, y'all go do that. Now, man, it's been a crazy 24 hours, 48 hours, whatever it's been, man. It's been crazy. So, because everybody must have found out in the morning. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people like me found out in the morning when they woke up yesterday that Juice WRLD had died. I originally found out because my friend texted in a Twitter group chat, and he was like, bro, Juice WRLD died. So I was like, I ain't text nothing back. I just went to Instagram immediately. And then that's when I seen it all in my feed. I was like, man, that's crazy. Like, I was just talking to him with another partner the day before about him. Like, he was asking me, do I know the song? And I was like, no, I ain't heard that one. So, yeah, man. But Juice WRLD was a good artist, bro. I will say that for real. Juice WRLD was a good artist. Very talented. But, yeah, so as we get more deep into what, like, really happened, everything I say is what I'm reading. I'm reading from the news. That don't mean it's 100% true. I'm not saying everything is 100% true. I'm just reading until more updates and more things come out about this tragedy, you feel me? But so later on today, I was reading, and it said that Juice WRLD, on this private plane, private jet, whatever he was on, private plane, he had at least 70 pounds of marijuana. It was found with codeine, cough syrup, you know, all of that. So the story's going on right now that, like, the pilot who was flying Juice WRLD's plane, he told authorities that, you know, Juice WRLD and his crew had guns too. He had guns too on the plane. So, you know, if you've ever been to the airport and on planes and stuff, having the guns, having your rod with you, you know, they don't play with that. You feel me? They don't play with none of that. So, you know, when he landed, I guess agents and FBI and all that stuff was waiting for Juice. And if he get caught, that's probably some big time. Like, that's some good time he might be locked up. So they say that, like, at some point like when the plane landed or whatever, and the police or FBI was conducting a search. They was looking and all that. They said Juice was like, feel me, like he was swallowing like a lot of like dumping pills, like Percocet pills, like many of them. So like they said he was doing that to hide them, because if he got caught with 70 pounds of marijuana, and honestly I don't think that was all for himself, bro. That 70 pounds of marijuana, I don't think he was going back to Chicago, where he from. He probably was trying to make some money off it, or his people or people around him. So I'm just saying what I think, because 70 pounds, that is a lot. And if you sell it, that is a lot of money. So, yeah. So I think he might have been a little afraid what might happen, and he just started taking a lot of pills to hide them. And that probably like was a big part in his death, like like an overdose. That was probably like a big part. Now they say an autopsy was like performed and happened earlier today or whenever, but like additional testing, like cardiac pathology, toxology, all that is still needed, to determine like what actually happened to Juice. So yeah, all this stuff is what I'm reading on, what I've been reading on, updates and all that. But we don't know the official cause of his death until they come back with the updated stuff on his autopsy and all that. So, but yeah, they say they spent like 40 minutes treating my boy Juice WRLD, trying to get his heart to beat back like normal. But, they got him to the hospital around like 2:55, I think, or something like that. They got there. I mean, they left, I think, around 2:55 or something, and they got there at 3:06. And I think that's when they pronounced him dead. So, yeah. And I think two of Juice WRLD's like people, or two members of his crew, they were arrested for the gun possession, but I think they already bailed out or whatever like that. So yeah, man, all this stuff is really crazy. Nobody expected it. So I was just talking about Juice WRLD too, bro. Just talking about him. And if you go look on my channel 2 months ago, I react to Bandit with him and YB. Go check that out if you haven't, man. Man, it's crazy. Nobody expected none of this to happen. But hey, that's all for this video. Tell me if you like this type of video. Tell me if you don't. You feel me? If you don't, hey, I'ma read it. I'ma tell you appreciate for telling me, keep it 100. If you do rock with it, let me know. Say, hey Trey, I like that you doing this. You don't got to do it all the time, but you could do it a little bit. You feel me? And I'll really take that into consideration on this channel, because I listen to everything y'all say, really. Like, I look at everything y'all say, and yeah, unless y'all like playing or it's just disrespectful or crazy. But yeah, I really look at everything y'all say and try to take it in to better the channel for y'all, and to give y'all the best content. But yeah, like I always say at the end of my videos, if you stayed and watched this full video, you are a real one. You feel me? You are a real one. Like I said at the beginning of the video, go follow me on Instagram. Go add me on Snapchat. The links are in the description, and the links will be in my community tab. You feel me? So go do that. Rest in peace to Juice WRLD, bro. Rest in peace to bro. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. I will be reacting to Roddy Ricch album on one of his songs soon, but I'm just trying not to listen to it at all yet, so I can give y'all the 100, keep it 100 with y'all, give y'all a authentic reaction. But yeah, that's all I really got for y'all today. Thank y'all for watching, and your boy Trey is out. Gang.